Most people don't stay broke because of lack of opportunity. They stay broke because of a lack of discipline. And the difference between the person who becomes a millionaire and the one who doesn't is rarely intelligence. It's consistency. Today, I'm going to show you how discipline can turn an ordinary life into an extraordinary financial future. Let me tell you about two friends, Alex and Marcus, same job, same salary, two very different futures. Alex lived like wealth would magically show up someday. New phone, new clothes, weekend spending like he was rich. While his bank account begged for mercy, Marcus had one rule: never let today's comfort steal tomorrow's freedom. He automated his investments, tracked his spending, read one finance book a month, and improved by 1% at a time. 10 years later, Alex had memories. Marcus had assets. One lived for the moment, the other built moments he could live off forever. Because the truth is simple. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. The $5 lesson. When I was younger, I asked a mentor how he built his wealth. He didn't talk about crypto, houses, or stocks. He said, it started with $5. $5 he used to waste every single day. Small purchases he didn't even remember making. But one day, he realized he wasn't broke. He was leaking money. So he made a rule. Every unnecessary $5 goes into an investment account, just $5. Nothing dramatic, nothing glamorous. A year later, he had more than $1,800 saved. 3 years later, with simple investing and consistency, that tiny habit turned into over $10,000. Not because he earned more, but because he finally respected the money he already had. Discipline is a muscle. Discipline is not talent, it's not luck, it's a muscle. And most people never train it. Start small. Track your spending. Automate your savings. Invest before you spend, not after. Aim for progress, not perfection. One disciplined decision won't change your life, but 1,000 small ones will. You don't need to become a millionaire today. You just need to act like someone who will become one. Money doesn't respond to wishes, it responds to discipline. Start now. Start small. Start with what you have. And let consistency do what motivation never could. If you're ready to build wealth and build a stronger version of yourself, subscribe and join the journey. Your financial transformation starts with one decision, and that decision happens today.